Hi, I'm Emerson. I had signing day 2 months ago, and now I'm a welder at Caldwell. It's been a lot of learning, a lot of growth, just doing different stuff every day, getting better. Working faster on projects, hitting job times, welding techniques, making my lips look better and all that.
It's just that the living's now and it's probably where it's supposed to be. I've been thinking
Probably the 10-ton rig release. Yeah, I've been working on that for a couple of days, and that's probably the coolest thing. The food are I actually get breaks now. I used to not get breaks. Honestly, like that kind of stuff. The little things are great. Everyone is nice and they help.